Welcome back to Cooking with JJ. Today we're making rice and peas. Add 2 cloves garlic, cup and a half of peas, and 1 teaspoon of salt to 4.5 cups of water. Cover and allow to soak overnight. Cook peas for 30 minutes and there is no need to add extra water. Just keep watching it and make sure it doesn't burn. Let's make some coconut milk. See below for the link to the homemade coconut milk. Be sure to put in some milk. Now let's strain. Trust me, there is no trouble in getting a little bit of the trash in the recipe. It helps to add flavor. Be sure to use fresh herbs and spices. Add escallion, thyme, and pepper. Now we'll add 4 cups of coconut milk and bring to a boil. Add another teaspoon of salt. And be sure to remember 1 tablespoon of margarine. Let's get our rice prepared. Wash 3 cups of rice. And I'll also put the link below for the Jamaican wash rice video. Add the rice to your boiling pot. Stir to ensure that everything is incorporated. And just cover and allow to steam. Now once the water is reduced, lower your flame to the lowest possible. Add 1 cup of coconut milk and just cover and allow it to slowly cook. Now we're almost done, and this is the texture that you're looking for. It's a slow process. Patience is your best friend. Now look at that. We're getting there. Ooh. There it is. Rice and peas. So easy. Loaded with flavor. Delicious. Enjoy.